The Shoestring Ranch is 1,408 acres of all you can want in a ranch. You will enjoy being out on this beautiful and productive ranch that has about 1,170 acres of open pasture. The balance is mostly beautiful mature hardwoods, allowing for hunting and wildlife habitat. With excellent fencing, 22 pastures, 29 ponds, gently rolling pastures with foothills in the background, and all the infrastructure you will need, all you have to do is bring the cattle. The ranch sports a manager's house consisting of a newer 2-bedroom, 1-bath home with central heat and air, a massive shop with equipment sheds, 2 large barns, and steel pens capable of holding all your livestock and probably the neighbors as well. The working chute is covered within one of the barns. The grasses are Bermuda grass, fescue, clovers, and native. The owners have left large shade trees scattered throughout the pastures for shade and cover. The north end of the ranch borders a state highway, but access to the headquarters is via a county road, allowing more privacy. The owners have been running 560 head mama cow herd and purchasing hay. Call today to view.